Leaders speak, leaders communicate. When we talk about the leaders, they have ability to communicate, they have ability to speak. You have to evaluate yourself that where you are. Are you able to communicate the way the leaders are communicating, or you have something different? You have to find out and observe within yourself. What kind of quality you have to find out. And if you are not able to communicate the way the leaders are communicating, you have to improve your communications. You have to learn certain techniques, methods, and skill more within yourself. Imagine the moment you got an opportunity to speak something in front of audience. You have a good amount of content and you are confident that yes, I can be speak. There is no any problem. But the way you have communicated, you realize that yes, what kind of communications I have and what knowledge I possess, it is completely different. The communications, how the leaders are doing, what I have done is completely different. Wherever you are working, doesn't matter. You just see your leaders. You just see your leaders. How they have the inspirational power, how they have the motivational power, how they have the communications power. And when they are speaking with the authority. You have to also evaluate within yourself if you wanted to become a leaders in future. You have to speak the way the leaders are communicating. You have to observe, analysis, and do something more. Then why I'm not able to communicate the way the leaders are communicating? What kind of problems I have? Why I'm not able to generate those quality within myself? This kind of questions you have to ask. And then over the period of the time, you would be able to communicate the way the leaders are communicating, and you had more confident at that point of time. Like other skill, communication is a skill. You have to learn this skill. You have to learn this skill. And for that, you do not need to go anywhere. You have to find out and observe to your leaders or any other leader across the globe. Evaluate to yourself and find out that what kind of quality I need to develop, and start to develop the same. Start persuade your ideas to others. That idea is going to be provide some benefit to the peoples, and you would also be getting more confident that yes, I can also passing some of the informations. If you have good amount of exposure or knowledge, start to explore the same. Start to persuade others of your ideas, thought, values, and that is going to become your assets over the period of the time. Leaders are also a human being. They are carrying more values, more quality, but it is not a by born talented, my dear friend. It is not a by born talent. They have learned those all skill over the period of the time. They have learned those all skill. Like how they have learned, you have to also learn those certain techniques, method. And then over the period of the time, you will find out that yes, you will also have a good amount of communications. And when you communicate, you will always communicate with authority, because the responsibility would become in your soldier. Then when you are going to communicate in front of audience, you are going to connect and to provide certain information, certain values which are going to change their life. It is the kind of information the leaders are sharing. You have to observe within yourself that where you are. Leaders always inspire to the people. There are 4 I leaders generally carry. They are 4 I they are generally carries. Idealize influence, inspirational motivations, individualized consideration, and intellectual stimulations. These all are the 4 I the leaders carry, and you have to find out that whether you are starting to carry. But before carrying this 4 I, you have to evaluate within yourself that whether you are able to communicate the way the leaders are communicating. This is one of the fundamental quality you have to develop. And then you will start to develop this 4 I. Then you would become a perfect leader across the globe. You would be able to connect to the audience. You will also start to talk with the authority. You'll also start to inspire to the audience. And wherever you are, wherever you will go, people will start to connect with you. People will start to inspire you because the way you have the leadership quality, people will start to listen to you. It is the value and the power of the leaders. You imagine within yourself that where you are and find out to develop those opportunities. This is very important, my dear friend. Start and develop within yourself at least one of the quality of leadership that is called communications with authority. This is very important. This is Sajjan Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.